Welcome to Be a Kids.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Ninth planet, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union, IAU, in 2006. These planets vary in size, composition, and characteristics. The four inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are rocky planets, while the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are gas giants. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun and a small, rocky planet. Venus, similar in size and composition to Earth, Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, known for supporting life. Mars, a smaller, rocky planet and also called red planet due to its reddish appearance. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant with a strong magnetic field. Saturn, known for spectacular ring system, Saturn is another gas giant. Uranus, a gas giant with a unique sideways rotation axis, giving it a distinct appearance. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, Neptune is another gas giant.